Today I want to make something that's quick and easy and yummy and filling at the same time. Since I have Spam, I have kimchi, and I have leftover rice, I decided to make like kimchi fried rice. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's start.
We will be using the following ingredients. We're going to be using kimchi, Spam, a couple of eggs, furikake, spring onions, and leftover rice. I like using chilled rice so it doesn't become mushy or sticky when frying. So we're going to use the whole can of Spam. We're going to start slicing and cubing it. Next, we cut the kimchi into strips, maybe like an inch thick. You know what? I also use the juice and I add it on the fried rice to add more flavor and add a little more kick to it. So let's start cooking. So make sure that the pan is really hot. And then you can drizzle it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, but I prefer using olive oil. So you can put in the Spam and then just fry this one, maybe like around 3-4 minutes until it becomes brown and crispy. I like mine crispy, so it's probably gonna take a little longer. So when the Spam is done, now we can add the slices of the kimchi. I like adding the juice also because this one adds more flavor and it also gives a little bit more kick to the dish. The juice will also help add more color to the rice, so it's going to be more reddish. Okay, so now we're ready to put in the rice. So you pat it, you mix it, and you make sure that all the grains are covered. There shouldn't be white grains left on the pan. Everything should be like red. It has to be like evenly coated. So you have to incorporate everything. So just mix everything. Mix and mix and mix. So when everything's mixed, you could add the salt and pepper to taste. You could also add or drizzle some sesame oil at the very end. So you just keep on mixing and mixing. Some people like their kimchi fried rice like crunchy on the bottom, so you could leave it like for maybe like a few more minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting for the rice to get toasted a little bit, we're gonna make the sunny side up egg, which we're gonna be used as a topping for the fried rice. And now that everything's ready, we're gonna start plating it. So just put some rice on a plate. There you go. And what I did was like I put aside a little bit of the Spam and we're gonna put this on top. And then we're adding some spring onions on top also. And then we're gonna add the egg. And we can now add also the furikake as the final touch for the kimchi rice. So here you go. This is how it looks like. Spam kimchi fried rice.
Now for the taste test. If you like my kimchi fried rice recipe today, which I'm sure you will, please give me a thumbs up. Please also share and subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!